Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Today we will present our progression report titled Profit Payment Mechanism in Islamic Structured Products Analyzing Sharia Concerns. This study focuses on the rapid development of Islamic structured products in today's Islamic finance industry. These products have become increasingly popular because they offer competitive returns while claiming to be Sharia compliant. Next, concept. Moving on to the concept, an Islamic structured product can be defined as an investment instrument that combines several Sharia contracts to form one investment structure. When compared to conventional structured product, the key difference is that Islamic structured product must be based on real assets, actual ownership, and free from riba, which is interest, gharar, which is uncertainty, and maisir, which is gambling. The main contracts used in Islamic structured product include murabaha, means a cost plus sale with a known profit margin. Tawarruq means a series of sales used to obtain cash in a Sharia compliant way. Wakalah means where investors appoint the bank as their agent to manage investments. Mudarabah means a profit-sharing partnership between investors and fund manager. And lastly, musyarakah means a joint venture where profit and loss are shared according to capital contribution. These contracts are structured together to create investment products that meet the needs of different investors while remaining within the boundaries of Sharia. Next, profit payment mechanism. Next, we come to the core part of the study, the profit payment mechanism. There are 5 main types of profit payment mechanisms in Islamic structured products. Fixed return kadar tetap, the investor receives a fixed profit rate that has been determined in advance. Next, floating profit rate, which is kadar terapung. The profit rate varies according to an Islamic market benchmark such as the Islamic Interbank Rate, IIBR. Next, hybrid profit rate, which is gabungan tetap dan terapung. This combines both fixed and floating structures. For example, a fixed rate in the initial phase and a floating rate afterward. Next, profit and loss sharing. Based on mudarabah or musyarakah contracts, both parties share profit and bear the risk. Next, performance link. The return is tied to the performance of specific Sharia compliant assets such as Islamic stock, indices, or commodities. Besides that, that study also discussed the method of calculation and the timing of payments, which can be done periodically, monthly, quarterly, or upon maturity. However, one major issue highlighted is profit guarantee, which can sometimes resemble interest-based returns in conventional finance. This raises concerns about Sharia compliance, especially when there is no actual risk sharing involved. Next, Sharia issue. The 4th section focuses on the main Sharia concern found in this product. Riba arises when the profit is guaranteed or linked directly to conventional interest benchmark. Gharar and jahala, which is uncertainty, occurs when the profit outcome or investment process is unclear to investors. Al-milkiyah, ownership. Some structures do not provide real ownership of the underlying asset, which violates the principle that profit must come from owned assets. Ta'alluq and double wa'ad, conditional promise. When 2 promises are made in a dependent way that creates binding conditional contracts, potentially breaching Sharia rules. These issues show that the design of structured product must be done carefully to ensure full Sharia compliance. 5. Case study. For the case study section, 2 real examples are reviewed. Islamic equity linked investment Maybank Islamic. This product link return to the performance of Sharia compliant equity indices. Although it is marketed as Islamic, there are debates regarding capital guarantee and the use of conventional indices as performance benchmarks. Islamic SILX structured investment RHB Islamic. Similarly, this product offers return based on asset performance with some level of capital protection. The main concern here is whether this protection still align with the principle of genuine risk-taking required by Sharia. These cases illustrate that even product labeled as Islamic still need careful Sharia analysis to ensure that their mechanism and benchmark are truly compliant. Lastly, conclusion. In conclusion, the profit payment mechanism in Islamic structured product must always be based on real ownership, genuine risk, and lawful transaction. There is a need for clear Sharia guidelines on the use of profit benchmark to ensure that they do not replicate conventional interest-based system. So next, we will show you our progress timeline. So this is our progress timeline, as you can see here. Okay, so that's all from me today, from our group, and I hope you have a good day. Assalamualaikum.